Hello, my name is James Alexander. I'm with HostBridge Technology. I've been with HostBridge for about 12 years now. The list is practically infinite. Almost anything that CICS can do, you can do through HostBridge and present that stuff in a way that they've really never thought about. CICS has all sorts of internal APIs for gathering statistics and gathering information. And HostBridge has the ability to be able to expose that as a web services, which means that you could turn it into a desktop application, or you could turn it into a toolbar or some sort of dashboard right there in front of you that you can see all the time that presents you with what's going on inside of CICS. You can also do the same things with their own applications, where they can monitor their own applications for changes, for updates, for statistics about number of sales, number of calls, those types of things. And they can actually turn that directly into a dashboard that sits right on the desktop of a supervisor or management, so they can see what's happening inside their applications real time. We've also got the ability to be able to do dynamic pushes out of the host to other environments. When an update occurs inside of an application, by using CICS events, they're able to actually capture that information and be able to push it to another system. A lot of customers do synchronization between the host and other environments, and usually that synchronization is done in off hours at night. But with HostBridge, you can actually push data real time out of the host into those other environments, so that when a change is made, the data is synchronized to those other environments real time, right then and there. They're never out of sync. Of course, a lot of customers use HostBridge the other direction, where they're pushing information into the host, but you can do the same thing going outbound. HostBridge gives you connectivity so that you can get into the host, but it also gives you the ability to get out of the host, to push data out to the outside world. We've got a few customers that are actually building brand new applications out of the host using HostBridge. Applications that they don't write a single line of COBOL for. They still are able to interact with their programs and their data, but they don't have to write any new programs for data. They write that actually using JavaScript running inside the host. The advantage of that is several. One is you can have a whole new set of programmers, people who are used to using middle tier languages, JavaScript, to be able to write applications and that actually run inside of CICS. They're able to do all the typical things a CICS application can do, but now they can do it using JavaScript. And when you use the JavaScript engine for HostBridge, all of that work runs on the zip engine. None of that runs on the GP. So they're able to write new applications using a language that is much more friendly to the developers of today. And all of that new work can actually run on the zip processor.